In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide. Remove product tags in Shopify. If you've ever mistyped a tag or left an old promotion lingering. Tidying up your product tags is a quick way to keep your store organized and your collections accurate. Tags in Shopify are simple labels that help you group products, power automated collections, and make filtering easier for shoppers. Removing the ones you no longer need is fast, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. Start inside your Shopify admin. Open your products list and select the product that needs a cleanup by clicking its title. This works exactly the same for any item in your catalog. Whether it's a single product or one of many, you're updating over time. Once you're on the product details page, look to the right-hand sidebar under Product Organization. In that panel, you'll see the product's tags displayed as individual bubbles. Each bubble represents one tag currently attached to this product, making it easy to scan and spot anything that's outdated, misspelled, or no longer relevant. To remove a tag, click the small X inside its bubble. The tag will disappear from the list immediately, confirming it's been cleared from this product's draft state. If you need to remove several tags, just keep clicking the X on each one until you've cleaned up everything you don't want. Take a moment to review what remains so you keep only the labels that still serve a purpose, like active promotions, material types, or seasonal attributes you rely on for filtering and merchandising. When you're happy with the changes, head to the top right of the page and click Save. This part is important. The tags aren't fully removed from the live product until you save. After saving, your store updates right away. If you're using automated collections that rely on specific tags, removing a tag will immediately exclude that product from any collection rules that depend on it. For example, if a collection includes items tagged Sale, taking that tag off this product means it will no longer appear in that sale collection. That helps keep your storefront accurate and prevents customers from seeing outdated groupings. And that's all there is to it. Open the product, review the tags in Product Organization, click the X on any you want to remove, and save your changes. A few thoughtful clicks go a long way toward keeping your catalog clean, your collections precise, and your customers' shopping experience smooth.